Did you know that there are rocks in your Fruity Pebbles, or that you are brushing your teeth with stone? Okay, maybe that's a little bit of stretched truth, but the aggregate or mining industry does provide ingredients that go into almost everything we use daily. Malott Company, located in Walfordburg, Pennsylvania, is a leader in the mining industry. They design and build the equipment used to collect and crush the rock. What's so cool about manufacturing? Making rocks into bubblegum. Let's learn how the things that can't be grown must be mined, and how that is accomplished.
By talking to our customers to understand, what their problems are on their site, and then what we do is we probe and we continue to ask questions on, what do they want, what improvements do they want, what are they really looking for as far as a solution, and then we bring that all together, and we get the engineers to kind of provide us with a solution that we can then present to those customers.
The customer is going to mine their product from a quarry or a pit or other item. They're going to dump it into the crushing unit here. It's going to make the big pieces smaller. Then we're going to transport that to some type of bin. This controls flow within the plant, so that way you're not having a lot of starting and stopping of material across the conveyors. It just creates a better product, and the plant runs smoother because of it. This is actually our bread and butter, what we do here at Malott Company.
We do all the other fabrication portion of it, and the systems project management portion of it as well.
And that's where we find out, like on this C-channel, there's a miter being put on there, and then plus holes have to be put on it. So from this point, we miter it, then we send it on up to the next line where he's going to put holes in the material.
In addition to designing and fabricating stone crushing equipment, Malott Company tests and services all of its products. As you can see, all equipment undergoes vigorous testing to ensure that it will work at its best for the client. It is then loaded and transported on site to crush rock. Fine particle rock is found in cereal, toothpaste, and yes, bubblegum. What's so cool about manufacturing? Learning what can't be grown must be mined.